The advent of the smartphones has revolutionized the way we communicate, making it possible to record conversation with ease. However, the recording of the phone conversations raises significant level of questions, particularly in terms of privacy and data protection. In India, the legality of phone recording is governed by a complex legal framework, which this video will explore in depth. Legal basis for phone recording restrictions. The Constitution of India in Article 21, which guarantees the right to privacy, forms the foundation for legal restriction on phone recording. The right has been interpreted by Supreme Court to include the right of privacy of the communication, making it unlawful to intercept or record phone calls without consent unless permitted by law. Applicable laws, several Indian laws, especially addresses the legality of phone recording. Indian Telegraph Act 1885, Section 5, Subsection 2 prohibits the interception of telegraphic messages, including phone calls, without the sender or the receiver consent. Information Technology Act 20,000, Section 66E makes it an offense to interpret or monitor electronic communication without the consent of the parties involved. Indian Penal Code 1860, Section 267 makes it a crime to eardrop on the private conversations, exception to the provision. There are limited exceptions to the general prohibition on the phone recording as outlined the law. Consent of the parties involved. With the explicit consent of the both parties, phone calls may be recorded as long as the recording is not used for any illegal or malicious purposes. Law enforcement purposes. Authorized law enforcement agencies may record the calls may record phone calls as a part of any investigation or prosecution, provided they have obtained the necessary legal authority, that is warrant. National security purposes. In increasing of involving national security, phone calls may be intercepted and recorded by authorized government agencies. Consequences of illegal phone recording. Violation of phone recording laws carries serious consequences, including civil liabilities. Victims may file a civil lawsuit for damages such as compensation for mental distress or invasion of privacy. Criminal prosecution, depending on the severity of the offense, illegally phone recording may be result in criminal charges under ICP or Information Technology Act. Disciplinary action. Employees or public officials may face disciplinary actions for the recording phone calls without authorization. Specific provisions for the secret recordings. Secret recordings made without the knowledge of the or the consent of the parties involving are viewed with the circumstances. In India, the Supreme Court of India has held that the secret recording may be admissible as evidence in court only if they satisfy the certain conditions. The recording must be relevant and necessary for the case at hand. The recording must be made in good faith, not in bad for bad purposes. The recording must not violate any other law or ethical principles. Best practices for phone recording. To avoid legal complications, it is very crucial to follow the following best practices when recording phone calls in India. Obtain consent. Teachers always seek the explicit consent of all the parties involving before recording a phone call. Disclose recording. Inform the other party that the call is being recorded and obtain their acknowledgement. Use the recording legally. Use the recording solely for the purpose and avoid it sharing with the other without other permission. Secure the recording. Store the recording safely and only share it with the authorized person. Phone recording in India is strictly regulated with the primary aim of protection of right of privacy. The legal framework provides a clear guidelines on such phone recording is permitted and consequences of the illegal recording. By adhering these guidelines and adopting best practices, individuals and organizations can protect themselves from legal risk while ensuring the privacy of their communications.